In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a live chat with Stripe. Suppose you're navigating through your business transactions on your Stripe dashboard and suddenly encounter an issue or have a question you can't quite figure out. What you're really looking for is a quick, direct way to get in touch with Stripe support. Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the easiest and fastest method to chat live with a Stripe support agent, all from the convenience of your own Stripe dashboard. First things first, you need to log in to your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using your current login credentials to access your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, draw your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a little help icon that looks like a question mark. This is your gateway to starting a conversation with Stripe support. Click on this help icon, and it will open up a menu of support options available to you. From this menu, you'll want to select an option that might say Support Articles, or something along those lines. This will navigate you to the Stripe support portal. The support portal is essentially a hub where you can find various resources and support options at your disposal. Once you're within the support portal, focus your eyes on the lower right corner of your screen. There, you'll discover a support pop-up. This pop-up is quintessential in bridging your direct line of communication with the Stripe support team. The pop-up presents you with several options. The first and most immediate is the chat option. Selecting Chat enables you to engage in live messaging with a genuine support agent ready to assist you with your questions or concerns. Alternatively, if you're in a situation where typing might not be feasible, Stripe provides you with the option to have them call you. This is excellent if you prefer to converse verbally with a representative, or if the nature of your query is complex and easier explained over the phone. Lastly, there's the option to send an email. This might be the perfect route to take if you have a non-urgent issue or if you prefer leaving a detailed message for the support team to respond to at a later time. Choosing the chat option is generally the most immediate and interactive way to resolve issues or get answers to questions on the spot. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to start a live chat with Stripe support directly from your dashboard. By following these simple instructions, you'll be connecting with an agent in no time, ensuring that your business operations continue smoothly and without unnecessary interruptions. Happy chatting!